Namaskar, you must have come across this very phrase many times. Do you know how it is correctly pronounced and what is its use, correct grammatical use? So let's see it. It is vis-a-vis. It is not vis-a-vis. It is vis-a-vis. It is a preposition and it refers to, in relation to, with regard to, as compared with, as opposed to, as a preposition. So in multiple ways, with regard to, in, as opposed to, with reference to, in सब की जगह आप vis-a-vis. So there are many agencies which nowadays have a unit to deal with the women's needs vis-a-vis, that is to say with regard to employment. In relation to employment, there are many agencies. In relation to or with regard to can be used in the beginning, but vis-a-vis is used only in between. It is used as a noun also. So as a noun, it refers to a person or a group occupying a corresponding position to that of another in डिफरेंट स्पेयर, जस्ट लाइक काउंटर पार्ट. जो एक प्लेस पे है बॉस, दूसरी कंपनी में वही बॉस, तो दोनों आपस में क्या हुए, एक दूसरे के vis-a-vis, काउंटर पार्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ आवर कंट्री वांटेड टू हैव अ चैट विद द vis-a-vis ऑफ इंग्लैंड. सो vis-a-vis refers to the prime minister of England. Take another example. His admiration for the US armed services extended to their vis-a-vis with his boss. So his admiration for the vis-a-vis boss of the US armed forces. In addition to that, as a noun, it is also used for face-to-face meeting. So vis-a-vis also refers to a face-to-face meeting. For example, he fared a vis-a-vis with his boss. So whenever he had to face his boss face to face, he was always scared, very scared. So he fared a vis-a-vis with his boss. He wanted to avoid meeting his boss face to face. Thank you so much. Follow for more videos.